Okay.
This is Abram Pelch with Laptop Magazine, and we're here today at the Lenovo booth at IFA Berlin, looking at the Lenovo IdeaTab S2110A. Say that 4 times fast. This is a new This is a new Android tablet with docking station keyboard, something we've seen quite a bit. It's got a 1280 by 800 resolution screen. It's got a dual-core Snapdragon processor, and it's running Ice Cream Sandwich, not Jelly Bean. But let's just take a quick look around at this. So first of all, here you can see it attached to the keyboard. We've got a nice touchpad here, nice texture, right and left buttons here, which is interesting because Android kind of interesting when you hit the is very interesting when you hit the right button, but lets you navigate around. The keyboard has a decent feel to it, considering this is a Lenovo. We're a little surprised. We see a little bit of flex on the keyboard, but otherwise the keys are pretty responsive. There's actually like a Windows button equivalent on here that takes you home, so that's kind of a nice touch. And then also there's a button here that opens your layers menu so you can switch tasks, which is pretty cool. Now obviously the big moment here is when you pop off the top here, and you can see that it's locked in place so that it won't close too easily. Looking around at the tablet here, we've got our volume rocker, micro SD card slot, looks like over here. A nice textured back that's kind of a brownish color with the camera on here. You can kind of record scratch on this, which is nice if you like to DJ. There is a, I believe, micro HDMI out here, and actually there is a SIM card slot. And you know, it's just very thin and light. I don't have the weight in front of me, but very, very light. Lenovo has put a couple of tiles here on the desktop, widgets that allow you to sort of quickly get into different kinds of apps, which is a nice little innovation from Lenovo. There's this weather thing here, which probably won't work since we don't have a good connection right here. If we go into the All Apps menu, it's pretty much a lot of standard apps. You see a few games. You see, you know, pretty much a standard set of stuff. I see Uvu is preloaded on this, but you could get that anyway. Viewster, SugarSync is something that tends to come with Lenovo products. So not particularly exciting menu of stuff, but this thing feels really light in the hand. The keyboard feels pretty good, and the nice thing about it is it snaps in really quite easily and then folds up, and what you've got here is in the keyboard some extra ports. You've got 2 USB here, you've got looks like a micro USB, and so what you have is, and even you have on the keyboard dock here, a regular SD card reader, which is great if you have a camera and you want to take pictures off. So, you know, that's just a quick look at this new Lenovo IdeaTab S2110A.